What's up, guys? Thanks for watching another video. It's been a while since I've seen you guys. I think the last time I recorded was around Christmas time, so hope you guys had a great Christmas. I know I did. Today's video, we're going to be doing some more Cruze mods, some small things, not much. It's probably not going to be a long video, it's going to be kind of boring, but today we're going to be putting in some new LED interior lights. We're going to put in some new LED side marker lights. And then we're gonna fix the sagging trunk issue, hopefully. I'll explain that when we get to the garage. Also, I got a new microphone. I'm currently not using it because I'm in the car, but when I get to the garage, I'm gonna plug it in and we're gonna see how it sounds. So hopefully the sound quality is a bit better. So I'll catch you guys when I get to the garage. All right, how do I sound, y'all? Hopefully I sound good and not like crap, and hopefully my mic is on and you can hear me. So this is what we're gonna do. We're going to take apart the trunk liner, which I have sort of done. I've taken out that piece there, and what we're gonna do is try and take apart the rest of this here and figure out why it's sagging right here. And I think we found our reason right there. That piece is broken, so we're gonna have to go to a junkyard and try and get a new piece there, and then I think that should fix the sagging issue. And once we get that fixed, we'll be able to get to the next project that I've planned this summer, which will be putting in wood flooring in the trunk. So that'll be interesting video, but that'll be down in a couple months. So for now, we are going to take the rest of this apart to try and figure out how we can get this piece, and then we will move on to the lights. So let's take this thing apart. Alright, so as you guys can see as I was pulling that out, I mean, this thing is just mangled because we had that spare tire in there. This thing is just absolutely trashed. Same thing with this back part here. So I think the custom trunk liner, or trunk bottom, however you want to call it, is going to happen sooner than later. But for now, I'm going to have a temporary fix for this. So I have a piece of it's like thin, I don't know, composite cardboard stuff. It's like stronger than cardboard, but obviously weaker than like plywood or something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure, cut that out, put that in here as a temporary fix until the weather gets cold, or not colder, it's already cold outside. The weather gets warmer outside, and then at that point we'll do another video for doing the trunk liner with wood. So as you can see, still snow outside, and it's just not ideal for being outside for such a long time. Luckily today is pretty warm out. It's like 43 degrees, but it's February, so it could be 20 degrees tomorrow here in Michigan. So I'm gonna cut this thing out and we'll go from there. Alright, y'all, we got this thing all cut up. Fits all nice and snug. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace out the hole for the handle so I can put the handle on this temporary solution. And then we'll be all set with this part of the fix. So after I do that, I'll show you guys what it looks like, and then we'll move on to the LED lights. Alright guys, we got the handle figured out now, so got that sitting in there nice, and now we can lift up and put the temporary solution, just lift it up and down. So That's a temporary fix for now until we do the plank wood, whatever, wood flooring, however you want to say it. We'll do the wood flooring in the trunk this spring or summer. So I'm looking forward to that. But now we can move on to the LEDs. So my mother and father-in-law got these for me. They're the side marker lights. And you know you married the right woman when her parents get you car mods. So here they are. They're LEDs. So these will just replace these side marker lights. And they're blacked out too, which is kind of cool. So what you're going to do to remove these lights is there's 3 T15 screws, and you'll remove those 3, and then that'll get you access inside to the fender liner. And there's a little tab that is like right here, and you just push that tab in and the light will come off. So I'm gonna put these in, and then we can move on to the interior lights. Make sure before you guys put these back in that you're testing that they actually work and you got the connection in there the correct way. That the positives with the positive, negatives with the negative. So if you don't put that in correctly, these won't light up, and then you'll put it back in, put everything together, and you'll realize you did it wrong. So make sure you are checking that before you put everything back together. Can't leave you guys hanging with the most satisfying part. Oh yeah. Alright. We got these lights back in, and they're looking pretty sick. So now we can move on to the interior lights. So I'll show you guys how to put LEDs into there as well. Oh, also, I'm gonna have those lights linked down below, so you guys can get them for yourself for your Cruze. And I will also have these LED interior lights that I'm about to put on also linked down below. All right, guys, to get access to this map light cover, you're gonna wanna put a panel popper tool, and you're gonna stick it in here and pop out these sides first. And then you're just gonna kinda move your way around to this side. And get this other side here. So there, you get that off, and then you have access to your 2 lights here. They're 194 size lights. And yeah, we're gonna put the LEDs in, and we'll be set here. So here's what the lights look like with the standard halogen bulb. All right, and then here's what the LED lights look like. Obviously a lot brighter, and you get that clean white light. So let's move on to the dome light now. All right, for the dome light, same idea. You're gonna start on this end, pop out here, pop out there, boom. This one comes out a lot easier. That's what the dome light looks like. All right, got the LED in. That's what the LED light looks like. Pretty bright. And then we just put this cover back on the same way we got it off. Boom. And that's how you do it. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed me taking my trunk apart and figuring out how to fix the sagginess of it and putting in interior LEDs and the side marker LEDs. I know it's not that entertaining of a video, but it's something. Once it starts getting warmer out, we got some more things planned for the Cruze, so there's more coming at ya. But I'm going to end the video here, and the last clip I'm going to show what these side marker lights look at night. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.